Ethics in criminology are essential as they guide professionals in making just decisions, protecting human rights, ensuring fairness in investigation and trials, and maintaining public trust in the criminal justice system. Upholding ethical standards is crucial for ensuring accountability, integrity, and credibility within the field of criminology. As a criminology student, important of ethical virtues are possessed include integrity, empathy, objectivity, respect for diversity, and commitment to justice, and strong sense of responsibility towards upholding the law and promoting fairness in the criminal justice system.